Hi everyone, welcome to my bday channel. How are you? I hope you're okay. And in this video I'm going to show you my haul that I made in USA during my birthday weekend. We went to Niagara Falls, Ontario, and then we went to near to Niagara Falls, so we went there. So I did buy a couple of makeup items, organizers that I found. So let me go ahead and show them to you. And also, if you are watching my whole videos, they are filmed back to back. So this is why I have the same sweater look and makeup, and I've been filming. It's been more than 8 hours. And my lipstick, it's the everlasting Kat Von D lipstick, Miss Argentina. I still have it. I just did some touch-ups 2 times. I just ate. I mean, you can see I still have my McDonald's. And it didn't really come off. It stayed, but I just wanted to at least put another fine tiny layer again, so that once I'm filming it's all good, that I don't have any problems. So let me start with Walmart. What I found at Walmart in USA. Let me get these out of the way. So at Walmart I found the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter Moonlight Pearl. This one here. This one. And then if you watch the Beauty Guru Coffee Break with Danny, she talked about the flower, this one here, the flower makeup sponge, the ultimate 3-in-1 blending sponge, this one here, and she said that it is amazing. So I was looking for it everywhere that I stopped in the USA. I looked up for it and I found it in Walmart, so I grabbed that. And then I found a couple of clearance item. It was some brush by, I think this one. These are Maybelline brush that I found. It was $1.25. I have this one here. It says eyeshadow brush. This one $1.25. And I have the blush brush, again $1.25. And then I found this LA Color Dramatilash. It has the sticker here, so it's the eyelash adhesive. It's clear and it was only 50 cents, so I grabbed that. And I grabbed this is just for traveling purposes. It's the Q-tips. I mean, it was already in a pack, so it was practical. And I got these just to, when I'm traveling, just fill up with my own shampoo and products that I love. I mean, I have it was good, nice size, and I love the bottles also. And after that, we went to Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree, I heard about the Wet n Wild brushes. I don't know if it was in YouTube or Instagram. People were raving about them. So at the Dollar Tree that we stopped, they had the Wet n Wild brushes. I think I got one of each that they have. So I'm going to show you the ones that I got. So I got the angled liner brush, this one here. I have the smoky liner brush, the crease brush, the crease brush, I got 2 of this one here, and the contour brush, and then the large concealer brush, this one here. And I did touch one of them and they are really smooth, so I'm curious I'm curious about how they will work. And also at Marshall's, what did I get at Marshall's? At Marshall's I did get some organizer for my makeup. I got this one here for my brushes primarily for my brushes, but I don't know, maybe I will use it in another way. So it was $12.99. This one here. And I found this one here, this big guy here. It's clearly chic, and one of them had like a mirror, like paper, just in the cube here, and it was $20. And this one didn't have, and it was $12.99 again at Marshall. So I grabbed this one. Why pay more just to have little paper that I can put myself? And also I did check all of my naked palettes will fit there, so this is why I grabbed it. I will have it on my counter and display all of my cute new makeup palette, eyeshadow palette that I have. Since I saved money by just picking up that one, I took this one here, the Lipstick Stadium, because it was all matching. I do have similar ones, but it's not the same, and this, all of them they're kind of the same shapes, so they were going to be like all a set. So these were $4.99. So I grabbed 2 of that. And then at TJ Maxx, I found a second one, the same one again. It was $12.99, so I grabbed that. So now I have 2 of this one here. And I did make some other other hauls, like the pillows that you see in the background. I have this one here, and the black and the all color fun ones on the other side. From Walmart, they were $9.99, or let's say $10, and they were gorgeous. So this is why I got them in USA also. And I stopped in Tuesday morning and bought some craft stuff, and I couldn't not stop at Ulta Beauty. So at Ulta Beauty, I really wanted the Carli Bybel palette, the deluxe palette, but I checked online and they didn't have it yet, and I was hoping maybe in store they will have it. And when I went there, they only had the original first palette of hers, so I grabbed this one. It was $14.50. $14.50, so it cost me $15.66 US. And I mean, I did cheat. I did swatch a couple of them, and I'm loving the colors. So let me just remove the plastic here. I mean, look at this. It is gorgeous. I really love this one here. And maybe next time I will try to get the deluxe palette. So this was my haul in USA. I hope you enjoyed it, and I don't know why I didn't grab more of the Wet n Wild brushes at Dollar Tree. I mean, they were $1, I guess, since we spent a lot, because you're not seeing everything that we got at Walmart and everything. So we did spend a lot, and it was not like a planned trip. My husband was like, hey, it's your birthday, I'm gonna bring you to USA for shopping. And we did stop at Niagara Falls, Ontario. We slept there, and then we went to USA. So yeah, so it was a kind of expensive weekend. So maybe I was like, oh, I'm spending too much money, let me just grab a few to try it. But I should have get more, because yeah, I hope that they worth the money, and then I will not regret to get more of them. So thanks again, thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye!